Far beyond the warm glow of the sun lies Neptune, the solar system's icy sentinel, painted in breathtaking shades of azure. From its churning atmosphere to its distant, frozen moons, Neptune is a landscape of extremes that has entranced astronomers and dreamers for generations. A dance of ice and wind, Neptune's stunning sapphire hue comes from methane in its clouds, eagerly absorbs red light and reflects cool blues back into space. But it's not just a pretty face. Beneath those swirling bands of gas, supersonic winds roar at up to 2,100 kilometers per h. The fastest in planetary gigantic storms rage around the globe, most famous being the fleeting Great Dark Spot, a tempest as wide. Neptune's icy companions, encircling this blue giant, is a family of moons, each with its own tale. Triton, the crown jewel. Triton boasts active geysers that jet icy plumes hundreds of kilometers into space, its surface, etched with cryovolcanoes and smooth plains, hints at a hidden ocean of liquid water waiting beneath an icy shell. Nereid, on a wildly elongated orbit, Nereid swings far from Neptune and then swoops back close. Its patchwork of bright ice and darker, organic, rich regions tells a story of ancient collisions and cosmic wanderings. Inner furnace. Though it basks in just a trickle of sunlight, Neptune radiates nearly twice the energy it receives, proof of a mysterious internal heat engine that scientists are eager to decipher. 2. Ghostly rings. 5 thin, dim rings circle Neptune, composed of dust and ice, young and ever-changing. They whisper of collisions with wandering moons or cometary visitors. Curious tidbits. 1846 discovery. Mathematicians foretold Neptune's existence before it was ever seen, an astronomical triumph. Ice giant. Unlike the larger gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, Neptune's interior is rich in ices such as water, ammonia, and methane. Auroral light shows. Charged particles dancing along magnetic field lines spark brilliant auroras around Neptune's poles. Curious tidbits. 1846 discovery. Mathematicians foretold Neptune's existence before it was ever seen, an astronomical triumph. Ice giant. Unlike the larger gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, Neptune's interior is rich in ices such as water, ammonia, and methane. Auroral light shows. Charged particles dancing along magnetic field lines spark brilliant auroras around Neptune's poles.